Look through. To examine or read something quickly. We looked through the menu before ordering our food. Look up to. To admire or respect someone. He looks up to his father for his determination. Look back. To think about something that happened in the past. He looks back on his mistakes and learns from them. Look ahead. To think about what is going to happen in the future. He is looking ahead and saving money for emergencies. Look forward to be excited and pleased about something that is going to happen. We are looking forward to our vacation next week. Look for. To try to find something or someone. We are looking for a babysitter for the weekend. Look after. To take care of or be in charge of something. She looks after the kids when their parents are away.